Hi, my name is Jing and I'm working on a new project called Journalite. It's a journal app designed to make it easier to record, organize, and access your memories. I built this because I've always had trouble keeping a journal. But after looking through old photos, videos, and the occasional flashback, it started to remind me of all the things I'm forgetting. And I realized that there was no tool that enabled me to easily organize my memories in a chronological order that enabled me to remember other things that I've forgotten. And this is where Journalite steps in. For most journal apps, if I want to add a past entry, I need to check when it should be, create the entry, and then change the date. It's a really clunky design. With Journalite, you can just click and it'll add a journal entry right there while autofilling the date with what information it has. The dated entry can be as specific as you want, and as long as there aren't conflicts, you can drag and drop to rearrange it. This makes it far easier to build that picture of the past, because memory is tricky. There's so many things that you can't remember directly, but with the context and reminders in place, it suddenly comes back. In addition, it makes it far easier to catch up on your journal if you've fallen behind. And when we combine this interface with full media support, Journalite becomes a very simple way to manage your media. We support standard photos, videos, but also GIFs. By supporting GIFs, this also allows us to provide video previews. We convert a snippet of the beginning of the video into a GIF, so it's much easier to preview and find the right video. Now your media, instead of being trapped in a folder on your desktop, these moments are all beautifully displayed on a single page. And since we use Dropbox's API, everything is synced to your cloud backup and desktop, so you just need to keep this one journal and all your media is organized, backed up, and readily available on any device. We've also made improvements to make it easier to find something in your journal. We have two options, the standard search bar, but also a timeline scroll bar. Here your journal entries are represented as tick marks, which will help identify gaps in your journal. But it's also there to make it a little easier to find the right place to click. And finally, sometimes I get stuck trying to write something meaningful, and a very simple way to get around this is to just ask yourself why again and again, which arguably can sometimes dig a little too deep. But I think we can do better. So I created a little companion AI that can chime in to help you with the reflection process if you get stuck. And I know privacy concerns are at the top of the mind, so it's only a computer that looks at and responds to your entry. Nothing is stored, your data is encrypted in transit, it's opt-in, and you can always completely turn it off. And this is why we built Journalite, a simpler, better way of keeping our memories. But we're not done. We want to fix the bugs, we want to improve performance, we want to build native apps for mobile and desktop, and there's so many other things that we want to include. But we need your help to do it. As you can imagine, there's a lot of work ahead of us. But if you contribute here or share this project and help us meet our funding goal, we'll have the resources to turn this vision into a powerful tool that will be helping you remember the richness of your life and story. And when it's ready, backers will be given the full ad-free version of the mobile and desktop app, but throughout the process, we'll be keeping you in the loop, listening carefully to your feedback, because this journal is for and from all of us. Thank you for your time.